In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $1.50 every 30 seconds. So be sure to watch the video carefully until the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. First, we enter our Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can easily create one. Now log into crowdfireapp.com website. As you can see here, it allows us to manage social media for others without any worry. Followers are not required, and social media crowdfunding is popular among people who have a limited time. We are going to use the website, but with a completely new approach, so your face will be completely different. I don't want to talk about all the details. You can now scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the affiliate referral link, which will take you to the sign up page. Don't worry, we promote this website as an affiliate without using any social media platform, with an amazing unique strategy that will be revealed soon. We will explore this. By promoting this site as an affiliate, you can earn up to $420 per customer. I know this is a lot, and while this may not happen very often, the potential is very impressive. In addition, you will receive 35% of all payments made by people who refer to Crowdfire, which is significant commission rate. The platform also offers fast payouts and unlimited earning potential, allowing you to earn as much as you want. Now I will explain step by step what you need to do to go it. First, you need to register your referral or affiliate link. If someone clicks on it, it will direct people to this site. You automatically receive a portion of their payouts to increase your income. Promote your link to get more clicks. It doesn't matter where your affiliate link is, as long as it eventually generated clicks signed by people and for a service. Now this sounds good. Let's quickly take a look at how much you could potentially earn on the pricing section to see the different programs offered by Crowdfire. For pricing option, including the free plan and per paid plans with annual and monthly payments option. Annual plans offer a silent discount for customers who commit to annual payments instead of monthly payments. Later, I will explain which target audience to focus and perhaps more importantly, how to reach them, especially those who have more budget and are more likely to invest in the annual VIP plan. By signing up for this plan, you can potentially earn $300 per year from one client. As you can see, this approach has significant potential, and only 10 clients will significantly increases your income by sign up, and you can earn $3,000. The middle of the client can earn you $30,000. I will show you a way to reach thousands of people that potentially lead to significant income. After you create an account using your Gmail account, after entering your dashboard, you will notice that is not a Crowdfire website. Instead, you will several companies that you can promote as an affiliate Crowdfire. Find and click join program to the dashboard where you can track your earning and copy your affiliate link, and use bit.ly to shorten your link. Although this step is potential, of course, it is recommended to shorten your link because many people may click on it. Now let's generate traffic to your link and encourage people to click on your link. We will use Gmail for this purpose. You send the email to potential customers. Go on Google and search for a list of social media marketing companies. You will discover thousands of them, and you only need a few to sign up using the link to make significant passive income. For opt-in page, create to explore. Companies are ideal for Crowdfire because the service saves them time and money. Because we target businesses, they are likely to have more budget than individual users, which makes them more willing to choose plans with a higher pricing in Crowdfire to receive your email. Contact information is usually found at the top or bottom of the page. Open them once you find their email address. Copy it to paste as the recipient and send the message. Repeat this process. Remember that each of them registers. They will be paid to the national number by referring the genius of the site that will receive frequent commissions. You will earn $30,000 in passive income annually. So there is no need to constantly search for customers. Just follow step 1 to earn great money online. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.